Yes, I am barefaced right now because we are going to be doing a Saw-inspired look today. So yeah, I'm actually going to be putting on white foundation and everything. Like we're gonna get into it today. I'm excited and nervous. Sorry, I'm pulling up a picture. I do have a reference photo. We're gonna go like, we're not gonna do it exactly like the photo that I have, but I needed like some sort of inspiration. This is gonna be kind of the vibe that we're going for today. Obviously I don't have contacts. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the brows. I have no idea yet. I haven't thought that far ahead. But this is kind of the vibe that we're going for. So instead of red contacts, because I'm obviously not going to do that, I think how I'm going to incorporate red in the eye area is I'm going to put red eyeshadow underneath and smoke it out rather than the black. But the rest, like, it's just kind of like a black and white smoky look. But I'm excited to do the lips. The lips will be fun. Definitely, it's a mixture of black and red lipstick, but then there's also a shine, and I don't think I have... Oh, actually, that's kind of close. I feel like, okay, we'll probably put a red lip, and then there's like this kind of red. It's not like a completely red shimmer, but it's the closest one. We're gonna put white foundation on my face, and that's it. That's all. I'm a little nervous about it because it's white. I don't know how I'm gonna look. Oh, that was a lot. Oh, that was a lot of product actually, though. I'll just have to keep blending, I suppose. Wow, this is white. Oh, what have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into? Oh no. This is really fucking pigmented foundation. I was not expecting it to be that white. Actually, you know what? Now that it's kind of like drying out a little bit, I think that was exactly how much I needed. Okay, now my thing is, like, do I just ignore my neck? Thank God I've discovered this brand, because I never want to use like the cosplay like type Halloween makeup. That shit sucks. It doesn't dry. Oh, that was a lot. I gotta put this up here. That was a lot for my nose. This looks fucking nuts. I look so wild. Like, what if I just did this today and called it? Like, what if I just put on a white face? Didn't put on any makeup, like didn't put on anything on my eyes or whatever. Like, this is it. This is the look. Oh boy. Now I'm like, because this is my thing, is like maybe I drag it down a little bit and just like kind of fade it out. I don't want it to, like, I don't want to completely cover my neck, but I don't want to do the fade out thing and then regret it. So I might do it last. I might do that last if like I feel like I need it, but I think I'm gonna leave it for now because I just don't want to do it and then hate it and then have to wipe it off my neck. Okay. I also have black to like do any sort of like shading or... Okay, what do I do from here? I guess we should do the eyes first, because then if I fuck up and I have fallout, I might need to wipe off this and do it again. Okay, so yeah, I guess first step is just putting on white eyeshadow to kind of make sure it doesn't crease. I still really want to do like a goth look at some point, like classic goth, with like the white foundation and like just white and black makeup basically. I really want to like just mess with it and like see what it would look like, because whenever I see girls do that, I'm like, I don't know, they look good. They like pull it off, but that's the thing, I'm like, I don't think I could necessarily pull it off, but I want to try it. She has red contacts in the reference photo, and he does have like red eyes, but obviously I can't use contacts, so I want to incorporate red on the eyes somehow, and I think I should just do underneath and smoke it out. I don't think I should do anything like actually on the lid, because we're gonna have red on our cheeks, and then we're also gonna have red on partially on our lips. I kind of just want to make the shape first, like that, and then we kind of like smoke it out. So let me just tap the product on, I guess, and then we'll do the blending after. Yeah, like that. Super easy. That, like, even that actually looks good. But then we take like this sort of brush and then we'll just kind of smoke it out. But like low-key, that kind of eats already. Just having a little bit of a smoke. Yeah, just smoke it out a little bit. Smoke out the inside. Yeah. Oh, slay. Okay. Baby steps. It was over here, so we bring it over here. Blending, blending, blending. Half of makeup is just blending. That's what takes the most time, I've realized, is like, because you cut, like, realistically, you just pack whatever you want onto your lid. Like, that's makeup. You're just like, you know what? I want to do this color. I want to do this. And, like, there are really no rules. Like, you can do whatever the fuck you want. But, yeah, it's just about making sure that it's blended out where it actually looks decent. But other than that, like, do whatever you want. And that's fun. I like that. Maybe I just take the rest of the product and... because she kind of has it a little bit there. Yeah, we're just gonna do here and then blend it out so it's not as intense. Like, it can't just be this, you know what I mean? It's still darker too, but I'm afraid of making it too dark and then... I don't know. Maybe I should make it a little darker. I'm just scared. The white foundation is, like, genuinely scaring me because there's no going back once you fuck something up. Okay, that's actually, you know what? This is good. This is good. This is good. We pat kind of on top of what we already did. Okay, that's better. You know what? That's better. I agree. I think I'm gonna do kind of just like the basic shit first, and then if I feel like adding a little extra pizzazz, then I can do that after. But I kind of just want to get the basics down. Okay, wait, so I do need a smaller brush actually for under my eyes. We're gonna take a red. Maybe I take that glittery red and put it like in the corner of my eyes. That might actually be really pretty. Okay. That actually, you know what? I do like that. I do like the red underneath. That was kind of just like a random idea I had, and I didn't know if it was actually gonna pull it off or not. Still feel like I need something on my lid, but you can't really see. Ooh, wait. What if I get a tiny bit of my glitter and put it on the lid? I feel like I just need like a little bit of shimmer. Me, I need a little bit of shimmer. Also me ends up putting a bunch of shimmer. Oh well. Yeah, I think that added like a little bit of something without like it being aggressive, you know? Yeah. Okay. I like that. It's subtle. I still want to put red in the corner. I think that might do something a little fun. It's not as shimmery as I thought. I need better shimmers. But I'm poor. Is the problem. Well, you know what? I don't hate it. It just adds a little something. I've completely left the reference photo now, by the way. I've gone off grid. I will say, I think I need to blend it underneath. Make it a little less harsh. I guess we'll do the cheeks next. I'm gonna do the red on my nose first. I am going to blend it out. It's going to look silly at first. Okay. That looks crazy? Yes. But give me a minute. Give me a minute. Yeah, you want a little bit of color here. You want a little bit of red. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. Why do I actually kind of like that? I need a little bit of more pigment over here as opposed to the other side. Didn't look as balanced. Yeah, I actually really like that. The cheeks. This is when yeah, I haven't decided what I want to do. I have red eye paint from About Face Beauty. I'm so silly for that. Okay, but this makes me really scared because of my tremors. Okay, I gotta lock in. It's up here. Oh god. I'm nervous. that side, I'm not gonna lie, that kind of sucked because it's very close together. See, this is what I was worried about. I might just leave that side though. Oh, now this one is... Oh god, my tremors. Do you see that? My tremors said no. Let me see if I can fix it. But now I'm like, how do I make this look better? How do I like make it... It looked like she kind of had red blush going on at the same time. Maybe I had a little bit of blush to like smoke it out a little bit. I know the lips are gonna save the look. The lips are gonna save the day, but that... Wow. This brush is no longer white. It's gonna look very intense and not as blended out, but we are gonna fix that. Yeah, because I think it might just like pull away from it being uneven a little bit. It'll add a little bit of dimension to it. And there's something else to look at other than my fuck up. Okay, adding a bit more. Okay, I need this brush now. Yeah. I actually think the blush is kind of cute. Okay, I blended out that side a little too much. I'm gonna have to go over it with the red paint. Oh, it's not MS. I just have essential tremors. The rest of my health issues we actually haven't figured out yet. I have been tested for MS. I do not have MS. So they just said I have essential tremors. Totally understand visible and this is dog shit. Yeah, no, so I have ankylosing spondylitis. I've had that since I was 8, but I got diagnosed when I was 9. That's just autoimmune disease, arthritis. I didn't have tremors around that time, like when I got diagnosed and throughout my diagnosis. It wasn't until I started having the undiagnosed issue that I realized I started getting tremors and it started getting worse and I started getting other like little neurological things. So I did go to a neurologist and they did like a brain scan and everything, but they said that everything looked fine. So he was like, I think you just have essential tremors, but that didn't account for all the other symptoms that I'm having. But basically when it comes to just my tremors specifically, he was like, you have essential tremors. So that's what I tell people now, even though I know it's technically like part of a bigger issue. I know that I do, you know, I at least know I have like the essential tremors is just like, there's a name to it, but I do have a bunch of other problems. Okay. I haven't decided what I want to do for my brows. I kind of want to just do like a simple line of some sort. Like if we take an angled brush and put it into like black shadow or something, or even, ooh, wait, no. Maybe the foundation? Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Oh, fuck. Dude, my tremors today, it's having a day. It's okay. It happens, but it freaking sucks. Oh, motherfucker. Yeah, we're having a day today. Wow. This is not the brow shape that I wanted, but it's the brow shape that we're getting. I mean, it's still cute. Okay, you know what? Now that the brows are on, I feel like I look less crazy. Yeah, okay. Now, okay, here's my thing. Do we do the, like, puppet mouth effect? Like, we're still gonna do the lipstick. I'll show you guys it again. Yeah, okay, so, like, this was the lip that I wanted to do. But do we do the puppet effect for the mouth, like, underneath? I can show you another photo that I found on Pinterest as a reference. Because I was debating, this is why I didn't pull the photo up yet, because I was like, I kind of wanted to see if maybe we could blend the two looks, but I didn't know how it was gonna look. Yeah, this is what this girl did, which is really cool. No, we're still gonna do the same lip as before, but I kind of wanted to see and fuck with the idea of like all the other little effects on the face, like even the nose. Let me put foundation on my hand. Trying to saturate the brush, but like not too much, you know, because our friend Billy's got a little bit of like he's got like a line right here, but I want to do these lines first. Kind of meet down the middle. something kind of like that. And then she did kind of like, it's the natural chin line right here. She did like a line down here. Okay. Then she did like that. Oh, okay, you know what? Straight on. I actually really like that. This is turning out, actually. This is growing on me. And I feel like I'm just fighting my own battles or my own demons when it comes to my charmers getting in the way. But I feel like regardless of it, like it does look good. I'm just frustrated. I'm nervous about the cheek. I just don't want to further ruin, like we managed to fix it because of the blush. So it kind of pulls away from how rough the lines are, but okay. We need to like, it goes up. That's what I'm worried about. And then she does like, yeah, she does something kind of like that. Okay, yeah. Down. And the lines are very like messy looking. We kind of need lines on our lips, like on the corners. Yeah. I can like, she did add some like fun little lines. Yeah. Big fan of whatever's going on here. I was a little nervous. I was more than a little nervous going into this, but this turned out pretty good. I will give myself a little bit of credit here. But I think I might just leave it. And then we just got to do the lip. I know you can't really see the red. And then we're going to be adding kind of like a red shimmer on top of it with some shadow. See, now that we're getting the red shimmer on. Now that we're getting the red shimmer on. Yes, bitch. Oh. I think I outdid myself this time. I love it. 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 This is really cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. I'm so excited. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. It turned out so good. Ah! I love